Yo, what's up? It's me, Springer again. I just got a quick, simple question for y'all. Why when motherfuckers rob you, they loud as hell, but they want you to be quiet, but they loud as hell? Hey, motherfucker, give me your motherfucking wallet, motherfucker. Yes, yeah, motherfucker. Don't you turn around, you motherfucker. You turn around, motherfucker, I'll blow your goddamn brains out, motherfucker. I'll splatter your shit all over the motherfucking wall, motherfucker. Give me your motherfucking wallet, motherfucker. Lay the fuck down on the motherfucking floor. Don't you say shit, bitch. I don't want your motherfucking ass to even breathe, motherfucker. You breathe, bitch, I split your motherfucking wig. I'll crack your motherfucking cranium, bitch. Don't you say a motherfucking word, bitch. Don't you even fucking breathe, motherfucker. Give me your goddamn wallet. That's all you got, motherfucker. This is all the fuck you got is $30 motherfucking dollars, nigga. This is all you got, my nigga, $30 motherfucking dollars. This is it. Bitch, you work all week and this all the fuck you get is $30 motherfucking dollars. Bitch, I'm wasting my time. I'll blow your fucking brains out for wasting my motherfucking time. Oh, that's all I got, man. That's all I got, man. But why you so loud, man? If you robbing me, don't you want to be quiet? I mean, I ain't trying to tell you how to rob me and shit, but goddamn, cuz you letting a lot of motherfuckers know that you know what I'm saying, you robbing me and shit. That's all I'm trying to say. Motherfucker, you trying to give out lessons on how to rob a motherfucker or something? What the fuck is you, the fucking robbing doctor or something, motherfucker? Huh? Bitch, don't get smart with me. Like I said, I'll blow your motherfucking brains out. You $30 having ass motherfucker, wasting my goddamn time. I bet y'all say, boy, damn Springer crazy, boy. Hey man, I'll holler at y'all. Good night, Facebook.